Last morning chore is to feed my chicken before they can go vent for themselves and scrap on the ground and get whatever they always get, the minerals, the worms and everything from the ground. So I'm just gonna feed them some corn and mixed grain, like it helps them lay some eggs. It's a layers feed. And then I have some scrap food from last night. So let me open for my chicken. Come on. Actually, some of these are for the sheep. I'm gonna go. These are corn leaves, so I'm gonna go feed the